Hi, I'm Dan Palomino with KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. Well, today I'm driving neighborhoods and I'm in the sleepy beach community of Puako. What I love about this area is that it is so centrally located. If I go a mile that way, I'm in the Manalani Resort. Great restaurants, right? Two amazing golf courses, shopping, beach, everything that you're gonna love. If I go a mile north, I'm at the Hapuna Westin and the Mauna Kea. Again, great beaches, two golf courses, shopping, restaurants. It's close to everything right here in Puako. Now, these are all single family homes for the most part on Puako Beach Drive. There is a condominium here that is at the end, and once in a while opportunities come up in the condominium, but for the most part it's about 306 homes here in Puako. And as you drive down the road, you'll look on what we call the Mauka side or the mountain side or the Makai side, the ocean side, and you'll see cottages, you'll see shacks, you'll see open lots, and you'll see multi-million-dollar homes. And the prices in here go from about 1.6 million if you're on the mountain side, all the way up to 20 or even 30 million with some of the new luxury homes that they're building at the end of the street. There's kind of something for everybody. As you can see, I'm at our new listing here on the ocean side in Puako. And if you want to see this house, 50 Puako Beach Drive, you can watch it right here, the video tour on this YouTube channel. But it's a great house, and so rarely do these homes on the ocean side come up for sale. Most of the time, it's very multi-generational, meaning that it's handed down from one family member to another. In this particular case, this woman lived here for 25 years as her primary residence. Now, the whole community is largely primary residence, about 200 plus homes. People live here full time. You can do short-term vacation rentals here, but with this caveat, you would have had to have been grandfathered in prior to the STVR law going into effect. So if you buy a house in Puako and it has an STVR permit, great, you can continue to do short-term vacation rentals. But if it doesn't, like this particular house, because it was somebody's primary residence, you cannot, all right? But other than that, you're gonna love this neighborhood. It's, again, people walking and biking. It's a very outdoor community base, people paddleboarding, kayaking, and there's a general store down here at the end of the street. It's a terrific general store, just like you remember in the movies where you just go get some, eggs and butter and milk type of thing. Really tight-knit community. Right behind me, one of the best snorkel and dive spots on the island. They call this the turtle cleaning station because the turtles come out here to be cleaned by the bait fish. And in the mornings when I'm here, there's a bunch of boats out there that are all diving. So, a lot to love about Puako. And if you want to find out more about this house that we have for sale or Puako in general, then contact us here at the Hawaii team. 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899, or thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.